Want to keep your home safe and secure with ease? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best wireless security cameras on Amazon, from budget-friendly indoor cams to advanced outdoor models with night vision, motion alerts, and smart app control. Whether you need peace of mind at home or on the go, these cameras deliver reliability and protection you can trust. Stick around to find the perfect one for your setup. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart home tech and gadgets. At number 1 we have Zumi Mall Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. True wireless, the security camera wireless outdoor now includes a magnetic mount for easy, no-drill installation. Snap it on in 1 minute with the magnetic mount or fix it with screws. Fit for bedrooms, front doors, yards, or garages. The design blends with decor, making it for indoor use without damaging walls. The outdoor camera wireless features a new 2K lens, 130-degree wide-angle design, offering 4x the clarity of 1080p cameras with wider coverage. Outdoor security camera with advanced infrared light and spotlight, enjoy sharp color night vision even in low light. Outdoor security camera with advanced infrared light and spotlight, enjoy sharp color night vision even in low light. The Wi-Fi camera outdoor wireless uses AI analysis to identify people, pets, vehicles, and packages. Support customize up to 6 detection areas for better accuracy and fewer false alarms. At number 2 we have OOSSXX 3K/5MP solar security cameras. Experience unparalleled 5MP UHD quality, a 40% improvement over traditional 2K systems. The OOSSXX outdoor security camera captures every detail in vivid color, ensuring crystal clear visuals day and night. Our innovative system automatically links videos captured at the same time across multiple cameras, simplifying the replay process and providing a comprehensive security solution for your home. Enjoy peace of mind with the built-in 32GB memory, offering up to 120 days of video recording without the need for a subscription. All your data is securely encrypted and stored locally, ensuring privacy and ease of access. Say goodbye to battery replacements with OOSSXX 365-day solar-powered security camera system. Efficient and eco-friendly, the camera's built-in rechargeable battery and solar panel ensure continuous operation, even on cloudy days. At number 3 we have Eufy 4K and VR Security Camera System S4 Max. The upper 4K wide-angle camera provides a 122 degrees fixed view of the entire scene, while the lower 2K PTZ camera features 8x auto zoom and 360 degrees pan for complete coverage. Note, to ensure you can use our PO and VR security system smoothly, please make sure your Eufy app is updated to the latest version v5.0.71 or above. All cameras work in sync to track movement in real time. When one camera reaches its limit, another takes over instantly, ensuring continuous, uninterrupted coverage, all under your control. 8-channel surveillance that can be easily expanded to 16. Includes a pre-installed 2TB HDD, upgradable to 16 TB, for 24/7 recording. Plug-and-play design with one PO cable for power and video, making Eufy camera and smart assistant integration seamless. Unlock proactive, real-time security with our local AI agent, fueled by 6T/8 core power for instant analysis, genuine threat identification, and decisive action. Customize no-go zones and alerts, enabling AI to accurately detect real danger and ensure tailored responses. At number 4 we have Kuow cameras for home security outdoor. This security camera's wireless outdoor comes with 64 GB of expandable local storage, saving you $200 per year in subscription fees and eliminating the possibility of network data leakage. This security camera features offline recording so you won't miss a thing, even if your home network is unstable. This outdoor camera wireless is equipped with a 2.5K Ultra HD lens and 4 LEDs, which makes it easy to capture the facial details of burglars trying to break into your home or vehicle, day and night. H.265 video technology requires half the memory to store without compressing the image quality. The solar security camera's wireless outdoor with individually adjustable solar panels and minimal wiring requirements, you can easily install it in a location to continuously solar power the security camera. 360 degrees pan and tilt provides full personal safety and property protection with no blind spots, ideal for home and small business. Homebase supports Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. At number 5 we have OOSSXX Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. Truly wireless outdoor cameras features an integrated solar panel, just drill 4 holes and screw it in. All-in-one compact design, install it anywhere sunlight reaches, walls, fences, railings, corners or door frame. Serving as the intelligent hub, the powerful home base includes local 32 GB encrypted storage with free playback and secure video downloads for up to 60 days. It protects your privacy while ensuring reliable access. Enhanced dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, guarantees stable, lag-free viewing and extends the wireless range for optimal connectivity. Experience superior clarity at night with vibrant 2K resolution, capturing critical details clearly up to 30 feet away. Easily recognize faces, license plates, and potential threats even in total darkness. 130 degrees fixed-angle bullet cameras precisely monitor critical locations like driveways, gates, garages, and fences, ensuring focused surveillance without missing any crucial details. At number 6 we have OOSSXX 4K/8.0 megapixel outdoor security camera. You can keep in touch with your family when you miss them and want to talk to them anywhere and anytime. This security camera supports multiple users up to 4 to view streaming video simultaneously. You can remotely live view or chat by high-quality two-way audio via app. Optical wide-angle lens with multi-layer lens provides you about 130 degrees wide viewing angle and reduces dead ends of surveillance areas. PO camera delivers almost 4 times the clarity of 1080p. Our camera kit provides users a vivid display, even when you digitally zoom in. With the help of advanced recognition algorithms and infrared detectors, OOSSXX will send notifications in real time once abnormal actions. Compared with the motion detection, two-way detected avoid 99% false alarm by leaves, cloud, animals or insects. The camera kit comes with 60 feet network cables, which allows for easy installation and setup. At number 7 we have WEILAILIFE two-way audio security camera system. Our outdoor security camera system offers reliable day and night monitoring. Each camera features 18 hidden infrared LED within a black cover. These LEDs automatically activate at night, providing powerful infrared surveillance up to 90 feet. Even in the darkness of night, the Wi-Fi camera system keeps you informed about events in the monitored area. Upgrade your security experience with our wireless surveillance camera system. Featuring an enhanced dual antenna design, it offers 40% stronger wireless signal transmission up to 150 feet. The wireless home security cameras are equipped with advanced noise-canceling microphones and speakers, ensuring clear communication with the wireless audio security camera. This allows you to stay in touch with your family while you're away. Through real-time audio communication, it brings the warmth and security of home to you, no matter where you are. At number 8 we have ZOSI 32CH 4K security camera system. ZOSI 4K UHD features amazing resolution and vivid colors, making it ideal for both home and workplace use. Digital zoom and 4K high resolution optimize the clarity of your images without compromising on quality. Witness color night vision for up to 100 feet, maintaining excellent visibility during the day and night. Our AI-powered detection tool minimizes needless notifications by accurately identifying faces, people, cars, and other things. With email notifications and quick push alerts for human motion occurrences, you are constantly informed and in charge of any activity. Your house and workplace are protected by a ZOSI PO surveillance camera system. Our mobile ZOSI Smart app makes it simple to interact in real time with friends, family, and guests. Sharing camera views with your family or coworkers is possible thanks to provisions for multiple user connections. At number 9 we have Anran 5MP solar security cameras. This Anran solar security camera with 360 degrees PTZ allows you to instantly rotate to any point on the 360-degree panorama with a tap, enabling you to quickly monitor every corner and ensure full protection for your home. The 5MP resolution of the camera allows you to capture clear details day and night. The Anran app provides voice guidance on how to connect the wireless outdoor camera, and the manual ensures that you can quickly complete all steps. You can quickly install this outdoor security camera with fixed solar panel at any time. This solar security camera's wireless outdoor has a built-in infrared motion detection sensor. It can clear analysis and recognition person, vehicle, pet and package. The daily direct sunlight is sufficient to continuously power the wireless camera, so you never need to replace the battery. The solar-powered security camera uses sunlight to charge the battery, hangs it on the wall, then you can start 365 days surveillance. At number 10 we have ZOSI 4K PO security camera system outdoor. This Ultra HD 4K CMOS image sensor allows the camera to capture more light, which improves color, contrast, and low-light performance. 4K resolution is 4 times the resolution of 1080p. It can record everything with sharper details with the high pixel count and be able to digitally zoom into faraway objects without losing any quality. Advanced AI human detection technology, the camera can intelligently detect human. When triggered by a human movement event, a smart light and sound alarm system sounds the alarm and responds to any potential hazards. The PO IP camera built-in mic and speaker let you stay in touch with your household. So you can talk to your kids or tell your dog to stop barking, or say hello to the delivery man through the free ZOSI Smart app. Free app for live view and playback on mobile phone with Wi-Fi anywhere anytime.